Everybody needs a few extra bucks now and then. However, we're not so foolish as to try to make you believe that you'll earn a living sitting at home doing nothing. There are no apps that can make you that much money. However, we do know of a few that can make some bucks. Over time, that can build up to enough to treat yourself. Here are the best Android apps to make money. 1. Ebates. Ebates is a coupon app that will give you cash back on some purchases. 2. eBay. eBay can help you turn stuff that is worth some money into actual money. 3. Etsy. People, artists, tinkerers, and creators can use an online shop like Etsy to sell their various arts and crafts. 4. Google Opinion Rewards. 4. Google Opinion Rewards is a great way to earn a few bucks. Unlike most, the money you earn will only be usable in the Google Play Store. 5. Ebates. Ebates is a lot like Ebates. The basic idea with both apps is the same. You do stuff like go grocery shopping and buy the stuff you were going to anyway. The app helps you earn cash back on those purchases. 6. Make money. Tries to teach you how to make money from home. Unlike the scam ones where they make bold promises they can't keep, this app tells you what is within the realm of possibility. 7. PayPal. You can use the platform to run virtually any business. 8. Square Point of Sale. Square Point of Sale is an app that lets you accept credit card payments from people. You'll need to get a little device that plugs into your phone, but after that, you can swipe cards and collect money. 9. Surveys on the go. You complete surveys for money. Unlike many where you get points or Google Opinion Rewards, this one pays out in cash. 10. Uber or Lyft. Uber and Lyft are two transportation services. Their apps are used by both drivers and customers. 11. Cash for Apps. Cash for Apps is a good stable app that pays you to install apps. 12. Clashit. Clashit is an app for both Android and iOS where you can make money by selling your uploaded images. 13. Cash Karma Rewards and Gift Cards. Cash Karma is a popular app that will pay you for downloading apps, signing up for free trials and watching videos. 14. App Bounty. The way the app works is mainly by downloading and installing other apps. There are also a farewell offers for you to earn credits which you can exchange for gift vouchers. 15. Tapporo. Tapporo remains one of the elite rewards and money-making apps. It is one of the oldest and reliable apps that you can find in the Google Play Store. 16. Survey Mini. Survey Mini features an hour rundown for the second year. It is a survey app, however, it is best if you are living in the United States. 18. Make money, earn free cash. There are numerous ways to earn, however it can be slow and tedious. The rewards are earned by watching videos, filling in surveys and taking advantage of free trials. Watch and earn. You get paid for watching videos and downloading apps. So, what do you think? Now I want to hear from you. What do you think of this list? Maybe I missed a high-quality application. Either way, leave a comment below right now to let me know. Smile.